Earlier today I made a little video on finding top dead center without having any crankcase markings, but of course I needed to get my spark plug loose, so I take off the cap and I immediately have everything in the whole cable in my hand, which wasn't tied down anymore to the how do you call it in English? The bovine? I think so, I'm not sure. Anyway, I need to replace the cable because it's too hard, it's hardened out, it's corroded. So first a new cable and then a test drive. And if this does not do the job, I will simply go and order myself jets in the size 125 and 130. I have them sent in from Germany and go from there in this experimental run. Oh dang! Watch. I will have to sort everything out once more again. Those are the 4 measurements I have to search. So first I'm going to get me a new spark plug cable. Also, watch this, I have way too much slack on my drive chain, so I will have to do some more jobs to do to finish before. Sorry, there's more to do for me before I can take a tryout drive. See ya. Okay, so a new ignition cable has been mounted. Dang, I need to stop recording. But luckily, chain slack adjustment is a very easy job on these bikes. It's just a question of taking this shaft nut loose, 21mm. Just loose means 2 turns. Same thing on the other side, and then start adjusting with the tensioners. What's even more nice is that these bikes came new with just dry toolbox to do this in 5 minutes by the side of the road. I think in the good old bad German Democratic Republic times there were no shops available, so everybody had to do it on its own, I guess. And then, assuming that your back wheel is properly aligned, like I said, it's just a matter of turning on these tensioners and turn on both sides the same amount of turns. In this case, 3/4 of a full turn, so about 270 degrees, was sufficient to loosen everything up, to tighten everything up. These chains are correctly adjusted if, by just touching nothing, you can still push this rubber tunnel onto the frame here. So this is about okay. I'll show you. See? It's hard to do with one hand, but she might be a little bit further tension, but I'm happy with this. Okay, well, get everything back reassembled and try out the new honed main jet.